Welcome to the WS Woodmachinery showroom, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of one of our best-selling compact high-performance Edgebanders from Cehisa. This is the model Optim PC. So this is a pre-milling spec machine, capable of 0.8, 1 mil, 2 millimeters, and it has corner rounding. So you can do vertical corner rounding, you can do full corner rounding. But it's a very interesting spec because there's a lot of features on here you wouldn't normally get on this size of machine. You'd be spending a lot more money to get a lot of these features. We've got the touchscreen control on here, which is standard, which basically monitors everything on the machine. We've got the temperature control at the Gluepot, we've got the temperature control at the glue roller, and all the working groups are easily identified with little icons. Very simple to use. Select which ones you want to use for the particular job that you're doing. You always get clear instructions on where the machine currently is, and then when it's ready it'll tell you that it goes up to speed and you can go into production. On this Optim PC, I'll take you around and I'll let you see the very important working units. This is the adjustment for your pre-milling station. Again, on a ball screw and on a digital readout. Quite a lot of competitors are using like scaled rules, they're using thick and thin packers and packing things in, which is really crude and very, very basic. Cehisa have been doing Edgebanders for about 40 years. They do big Edgebanders, but they've brought that technology and brought it standard on the standard machines. So the first unit, as I say, we have is your pre-milling station, which a lot of customers are going for now. You don't have to worry so much about the edge coming off the saws. Then we have TEFLON Coated Gluepot. We have options of dual melt, where we can use PU glue. We can have a quick release system where we can take the glue pot off. You could have a couple of glue pots and you could be working with two different colours or types of glue. So it's very, very flexible. We've got the heavy duty guillotine. And again, as you notice, digital readout on the pressure zone. This is set for 2 millimeters. And then we have a tried and tested multi-function unit. This has come from previous models, compact PCS, and in this particular spec we use it for end trimming and a combination of vertical rounding and full corner rounding. And then we have your high frequency motors for your straight and radius, for thin material and straight material, and radius to 2 millimeters, top and bottom. Then we have glue scrapers, which I think are a must on an Edgebander, just to ensure any glue spared at all for any reason on the top of the panel is cleaned up. And then we have a set of buffing units at the back. So having all these individual groups working and doing their individual jobs ensures that when you get a panel off the machine, it's a finished panel. There's nothing going to the bench, nothing getting worked on by hand. Cehisa Edgebanders that we have, they've all got a solid steel beam, and I'll show you a little short video of the section of the beam and the strength of the beam. But as I say, we don't work with any flick down lightweight beam. Everything's on ball screw and everything's on a readout. So when everything's locked into position for the panel, it's absolutely solid, and that's very important on an Edgebander because you don't want the panels moving as they're going through the machine. You come round the other side, we'll show you the beam itself. And a lot of our competitors are using aluminium. A lot of the sections are half the height, half the width. But if you look at this steel beam here, that must be about an inch odd thick, and it's about 6-7 inches of solid steel. So again, it just shows you the quality that is in the Cehisa products.